Hello fellow brow artists and welcome back. In this following video, I'm going to show you how I use the straight ruler and arch stencils to draw out the top arches first. I start by placing my straight ruler just slightly above her natural brow hair. For this client, I will be using the ruler as my guide for the balance line. Next, I mark where the eyebrows will start and mark the same number on the left side. My next step is the length of the eyebrows. Notice how her eyebrow hair ends a bit short and the natural hair growth points downward. I will extend her length just slightly. Now I mark the same measurement on the right side. For the arch apex, I use the golden ratio caliper. I place the front leg numbered 1 on the line that marks the start of the brows. Then I pull slightly on the leg with the number 3 in order to place it down on the line where I mark the length of the brows. In another video, I explain how to properly use this caliper. I'm ready to use my arch stencil. Remember to always place the middle black arch apex line directly on the line that marks where the highest point of the arch will be. Using the arch stencil correctly means maneuvering it in order to line it up with the client's natural eyebrow hair. I like to stay very close to the natural hairline when I won't be making the eyebrows any thicker. For the width of the eyebrows, I also followed this client's natural hair growth. Next, I use my digital caliper to measure the distance from the straight ruler in order to make sure my placement is the same on the left eyebrow. Now flip the stencil over for the left side. Place the stencil directly below the straight ruler, which is used as a balance line. Make sure the arch apex line is also in the right place. Then manipulate the stencil so that it follows the hairline and place the front directly over the top width line. The last step is where eyebrow design comes into play. As true artists, we shape eyebrows according to what our clients would like. That's why communicating with our clients is key before we ever start. Here I'm using white mapping string to mark where I want the bottom shape. Again, I stay very close to the eyebrow hair. Afterwards, I use my wax pencil to perfect the shape.